Well, Florida could have a major hurricane on their hands for the middle and end of this week. But as of this morning, it is a Category 1 hurricane, an upgrade from last night's update from the National Hurricane Center. It was a tropical storm going to bed last night, waking up this morning. 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds with movement to the northwest at 14 miles per hour. We do normally see storms intensify throughout the overnight hours as instability increases over the course of the center core of that storm. So a Category 1 making landfall along the western part of the island of Cuba as we head into later on today. That's their impacts. Impacts to the U.S. will be seen later on this week. So tracking Ian, we have multiple watches and warnings out into effect. A hurricane warning issued for the western island of Cuba. Meanwhile, a hurricane watch issued for portions of Florida. This does include the Tampa Bay region, a highly populated area under a hurricane watch moving forward for the middle of this week as they're expecting that landfall. A tropical storm watch expected, issued for Fort Myers and Key West under that tropical storm warning. I am expecting both of those to get issued to hurricane watches as the storm does continue to show signs of intensification over the course of this week. So these are multiple different computer models here. We're pretty certain that Cuba is going to see a landfalling hurricane as we approach later on today. It's whenever we go into the middle and end of this week that our forecasted tracks become a little frayed. One model shows that at 8 p.m. on Wednesday, Fort Myers could be seeing a landfall. Another model showing that the Big Bend region, a little bit further northward, Thursday we could see a landfall. And then some models even push landfall back far as Friday mid-afternoon. So still a range of possibilities here moving forward as we approach the end of this week before that storm travels off along the eastern seaboard and eventually out to sea. And we do see our cone of uncertainty here becoming a bit more fanned out at the end. That's just showing that uncertainty that I showed in the previous model runs. But tonight, seeing Cuba get those impacts. Category 3 hurricane expected. The next update will likely show those increased wind speeds over the course of the day today. And then as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's whenever this storm will trek along the Gulf Coast side of Florida and continuing to provide a major impacts there. One of the biggest impacts will be the storm surge associated with this. This is just the potential storm surge associated with this storm. As we look at the Everglades region, could see over 6 feet, over 9 feet of storm surge possible as we look at Bonita Springs and closer to Fort Myers. This part of the country is really concaved toward the water. So major threat for this storm is going to be the rainfall, but more importantly, the surge that will be pushed onshore by the winds.